जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय. This 75th year of Independence Day, I would like to show you a craft which you can make and wear. It is a wristband which we're going to make today. It is tricolor. We just need paper and glue. So let's begin. So friends, I have taken some dry colored paper, orange, white and green, and one strip of blue paper. If you do not have any of these colored papers, you can paint it like I have done for the blue one. We will be needing long strips, so I will be connecting two strips together to make one long one. So let's begin. Let's connect the two strips. One and two. So all my strips are ready now. Now I will take two orange stripes and connect them like this. It will make an L shape. Now we will fold the flap which is in the bottom towards the up. Then this to the other side. Then the up one down. And then this to the other side. And so on. Up, side, down, side. And cut off any extras. And glue this flap to this flap. And press it once. Now let's do the same thing for the white one. Now move this up, this to the side, this down, this one has no extras, so I will not connect anything. And let's glue it. Press it, and keep it. We will do the same with the greens. And let's glue it. Now let's collect all the 3 pop-ups. In the Indian flag order. Now let's put the green one. And keep it pressed. Okay. Till it dries, let's do the next part. Now the blue paper. We will cut it into half and fan fold it up. And one more half. Now let's fan fold it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down you go. Fan fold all of these. And cut on these 2. Now it's folded to half. And glue it. Now let's make all of them like this small fan. Now all our foam fans are ready. Now let's glue them together to make a circle. Like this. Isn't this looking like Ashoka Chakra? Let's also put some glue in the center. So that that line goes away. And attach it to this. We will glue these 2 ends together so that it forms a bracelet. See now, friends. We will stick this over here. The Ashoka Chakra. Now we will let it dry. This is my band, friends. How is it looking? Nice, isn't it? Friends, if you like this tricolor band, go and make it now. I would love to recite a poem that I have written on my own. It is about my country, India. Friends, would you like to see a new country? Come to India, it's my country. The flag is tricolor, saffron, white and green color. There are 28 states which are all very great, where Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian live together as one nation. We celebrate Holi, Diwali, Eid, Baisakhi and have fun on Navratri and Rakhi. We eat lots of sweets like jamun and jalebi along with cold Kashvi and lassi. Rich in tradition and culture, love and peace is our nature. I love my India. I love my India. Jai Hind. Friends, if you like this craft, please like, subscribe and share. Happy Independence Day. Bye.